Hi students, welcome to third standard science class video session, lesson 6, different foods we eat. In today's session we are going to learn about the balanced diet. We learn importance and health benefits of balanced diet. Let us go into the session. To learn lesson 6, different foods we eat, topic balanced diet. The food that we eat regularly is called our diet. A diet which contains all the nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and roughage in the correct quantities is called a balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A diet which contains all the nutrients in the correct quantities is called a balanced diet. We should always eat a balanced diet so that our body gets all the nutrients it needs. Next, let us learn about healthy diet. A healthy diet is one that helps maintain or improve overall health. A healthy diet provides the body with essential nutrients, fluids, macronutrients, micronutrients, and adequate calories. So children, a balanced diet supplies the nutrients your body needs to work effectively. Without balanced nutrients, your body is more prone to disease, infections, and low performance. Children who don't get enough healthy foods may face growth and developmental problems, poor academic performance, and frequent infections. There are 7 essential factors for a balanced diet. They are carbohydrates, protein, fat, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and water. A balanced diet contains the proper quantities and proportions of the needed nutrients to maintain good health. It must have a balanced amounts in proper proportions of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water intake. This picture shows the food pyramid for the healthy person. The food pyramid is a visual representation of how different foods and drinks contribute towards a healthy balanced diet. The food pyramid allows individuals the flexibility to choose food and drinks from each shelf depending on their food preferences. The food pyramid is designed to make a healthy eating habits. It shows the different food groups and how much of each we need to have a healthy diet. Eating the right amount from each food group is called eating a balanced diet. Eating well is important for all of us. There are 6 categories in the food pyramids: the bread, cereal, rice, and pasta group, that is grains, the fruit group, the vegetable group, the meat, poultry, fish, dry beans, eggs, and nuts group, protein, the milk and cheese group, dairy products, and the fats, oil, and sweets group. Children, now I suggest some ways to keep your healthy diet. Fix your meal times and stick to it. Ideally, you should eat 3 major meals and 2 snacks in a day, with 3 to 4 hours gap between each. Try to get the major nutrient from each meal. A snack with protein, carbohydrate, vitamin balance is healthier and more nutrition than a carbohydrate sugar based snack. Replace processed packaged food with fruits, nuts, and fresh food. Limit your fat intake to the percentage required Also, watch your sugar and salt consumption. Include more protein than starch in your meal. Balance it out with vegetables and fruits. Consider using whole grains like millets, oats, brown rice, and similar cereals. Be active physically and mentally. Exercise helps break down the carbohydrates and proteins so your muscles absorb the required nutrients. Have a necessary starch and healthy fats so you don't lose out on energy. Don't forget your calcium and mineral intake. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Last but not the least, sleep well. A balanced diet will only be effective if your body gets the necessary exercise and rest. Children, imagine a diet which has many chapatis or lots of rice and pickles but no dal or vegetables. Can you call this a balanced diet? No, because it contains only carbohydrate and roughage, but does not contain protein, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Don't take your meals like this. You take your meals which are rich in 50% fruits and vegetables, 25% of protein rich food, and 25% of whole grains, fiber rich food, and carbohydrates rich food. So, children, we should always eat a balanced diet so that our body gets all the nutrients it needs. I hope you got clear information about the balanced diet. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.